This video tutorial I will explain what is JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is the way to organize the data and store the data in a simple and easy to read format. We can think of JSON like a universal language that computers and programs use to talk to each other. Imagine you have to send a message to your friend, but you both speak different languages. Then what you can do is you could use drawings or symbols that everyone can understand. JSON is a bit like those symbols. Here you can see list of your favorite fruits in JSON format. JSON uses curly braces to group related information, and JSON uses colons to connect labels and their values. In this example, label is fruits and values is list of fruits, and square brackets are used to represent list. So JSON is like a simple and standardized language that helps computers to understand and share data with each other, and JSON making it easier for different programs and systems to communicate and work together. And JSON is not just for JavaScript. Despite its name, it is used all over the digital world to exchange information efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.